Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig review and it's going to be from Luvme Hair. They did send me a wig to try on and share with you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what they got for me today. And this wig that they gave me is a 5x5 lace glueless loose wave wig, so we're gonna check that out and open it up. All right, I'm going to take out the cute little bow. Go ahead and open it. See what we got. All right, they went ahead and gave me some caps here, which is always needed. They gave me this with a couple items in it. Let's see. Just to hold down the edges. It's like a cute little wallet holder. I mean, a card holder. I don't know what this is. It's a mirror. Cute. That's too cute. Okay. Big. Right here. And we're gonna go for a short look today. This is what we got. Already curled, already pre-plucked. Yep, so this is a glueless wig. You're gonna see the little strap here. I ain't going down nothing today because I ain't going nowhere. So in the back, we got the clips here. I mean the combs. There's 3 combs, 1, 2, and 3. 2 on the side, 1 on the back. Oh, and then there's actually another clip right here, right by the lace. Very soft, not crunchy, nothing. Very soft and friendly and kind of cute. I like it sassy and short. So let's try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. Now that I got my wig cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So, and we're gonna cut the lace and all that other stuff here. We rocking the middle part today, maybe. Now that I got that situated, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. And going with some powder foundation that I have, and we're gonna do that. That is it. I mean, my hair is already pre-curled. I went ahead and cut my lace, put a little powder on the lace, and then that's it. That easy. I wasn't sure if I had to just mess up my video. Anyways, I didn't know if I was gonna do anything extra to this wig. Yeah, I mean, I can just throw this on and head out if I need to go somewhere. It already came curled, so I was impressed. I was not expecting that at all. I'm kind of just finger combing it right now to see how big I can get it. And done. It looks a whole lot better just combing those curls out for volume. I believe this wig was in the 16 inch. So that's the inches that I have here. Go ahead and just buy it. It's so soft. Love it. It's easy. You don't have to take all day. You're in a rush. This wig is a no-brainer. It's easy. Just go ahead and buy it. Just do it. So I went back in and fixed my lace a little bit because it was looking a little bit too light for me. So Now we looking a lot better. This wig is so soft, y'all. On that note, I would like to thank Luvme for sending me this beautiful wig. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna have more wig videos coming soon. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, all right? And I'll see y'all next time.